How to turn off VolTE calls. If you're looking to disable VolTE voice over LTE calls on your smartphone, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off VolTE calls. So let's get started. First things first, let's go over how to disable VolTE on your iPhone. Once your phone is open, simply open up the settings app and scroll down and simply tap on cellular. Now simply tap on cellular data options and simply find voice and data. Here you'll see the options for VolTE. Simply toggle it off to disable VolTE calls. That's it. VolTE calls are now turned off in your phone. Here, as you can see, if it's turned on, simply toggle it off. And that's it. That's how you can simply turn off VolTE calls on your phone. Just a quick note, turning off VolTE may affect the quality of your voice calls as you won't be using the high-speed data network to make them. But it can help if you're in an area with weak LTE coverage or if you prefer to use older 3G or 2G network for calls.